From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon. I'm student meteorologist Jonathan Domow here with your Tuesday afternoon forecast. Getting right into it with the forecam. Beautiful conditions across the Commonwealth with blue skies in Erie, Beaver Stadium, Pittsburgh, and Harrisburg with nothing but blue skies and sunshine. Taking a look closer to home here at the Penn State golf courses, current temperature 59 with that feels like of 59, so just an all-around spring-like feel with relatively calm winds at 5 miles per hour and visibility at 10 miles. Now taking a look at some weather headlines. Spring-like conditions for today across the Commonwealth and beyond. And a threat for storms, however, in the Midwest, and unfortunately rain and cold coming soon to our area. Now looking at those current conditions across the Commonwealth, that spring-like feel being shared in every corner of the Commonwealth. 66 in Philadelphia and as high as 67 in Pittsburgh. And as you can see, pretty much sunny throughout the entire Commonwealth. A few clouds to the southern portion of the state, but all around spring-like feel. Now, looking at the greater East Coast, that spring-like feel being shared by everybody. 61 in Boston, 69 in Washington, D.C., and as high as 73 in Columbus, Ohio. Now, as the aforementioned severe storms in the Midwest, portions of Iowa, Missouri, and Illinois under an enhanced risk for severe storms and a slight and marginal risk also in the Midwest today. So if you're out there in the Midwest, make sure you're taking necessary precautions. If you're out there having a barbecue or doing something nice because of nice weather, you might want to start wrapping that up, bringing that inside because of these severe storms. Now let's take a look at that radar over State College. Absolutely beautiful conditions. Relatively no rain or clouds on the radar until we get into the rain and cold coming later this week. However, we can see those storms making their way through the Midwest, which will also eventually make their way through Pennsylvania. That is not, however, until tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday. But those storms wreaking havoc right now through the western portion of Iowa, as well as portions of North Dakota and Minnesota. And now looking at that future weather, around breakfast time tomorrow, still relatively clear. However, showers will be moving through most of the day. Around dinner time, those storms will move through late at night on Wednesday into the early morning hours of Thursday. However, by 2:30 in the morning on Thursday, should be just relatively cloudy. No showers. Those showers will be moving out. Scattered showers around the area of State College, but I don't expect them to make their way to State College. But let's look at the precipitation outlook. 65% on Wednesday, 40% on Thursday, and 55% on Friday. However, relatively no precipitation expected for Saturday and Sunday. So even though it's going to be cold, wet, and rainy through the rest of the week, you could expect a nicer, calmer, more mild weekend. Now looking ahead for today, 79 is the high expected for today with those sunny skies, as we can see the beautiful backdrop of Old Main. And for tonight, a cooler 47, however, only partly cloudy, so really more mild temperatures, however, relatively spring-like for nighttime. And looking ahead for tomorrow, we have 59, a little bit colder, and unfortunately that is when the rain will begin. However, still can't complain about 59, as it is much warmer than we were seeing last week. Now, looking at the 7-day forecast, 79 on Tuesday, rain beginning on Wednesday with temperatures in 59, rain on Thursday, 63, and then rain again on Friday, 62. However, Saturday and Sunday, 59, 55 is when the rain starts to move out, and we're back to sunny and 60 on Monday. And yes, you read that right. There is a chance for frost in the early morning hours on Monday. From the Penn State Campus Service, I'm student meteorologist Jonathan Domow.